Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new song project and setting tempo, key, and meter so your session behaves predictably. Next, select and configure inputs. Pick your USB mic or audio interface, set sample rate, and check input levels so you avoid clipping. Then add the necessary tracks, a software instrument for MIDI, an audio track for vocals or guitars, and a drummer for rhythm. Once done, arm the track you plan to record and do a quick test take to confirm signal and monitoring. Now you record takes while listening to the metronome and count in so timing stays tight. Record several passes and use quick swipe comping to assemble the best phrases. This gives you flexibility without destructive edits. Then edit, trim regions, add fades and crossfades, quantize MIDI, and correct small timing or pitch issues. Layer additional parts and harmonies to build arrangement. Once tracks are arranged, apply EQ, compression, and reverb using smart controls to shape tone and keep levels. Finish by balancing levels, panning elements for stereo clarity, and routing sends to buses for shared reverb or parallel compression. This creates a cohesive sound. Automate volume and effect parameters to emphasize dynamics and avoid static mixes. When your mixdown is stable, bounce tracks if needed to save CPU. Then export with appropriate bit depth and sample rate, typically 24-bit WAV for masters or 16-bit MP3 for demos. If recordings clip or sound thin, check input gain first, then review phase and polarity between mics to fix issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.